Exercise 3.3. First problem. Solve the cubic equation 2x cube minus x square minus 18x plus 9 equal to 0 if sum of two of its roots vanishes. Consider the equation 2x cube minus x square minus 18x plus 9 equal to 0. So here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 18, d equal to 9. Since sum of two of its roots vanishes, sum of two roots is 0. So let us take the roots as, let the roots be alpha minus alpha beta. First let us find sum of the three roots. Alpha minus alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a minus of minus 1. So plus 1 by 2. In this alpha and minus alpha cancel. So you get beta equal to 1 by 2. Next, product of the three roots. Alpha into minus alpha into beta equal to minus d by a minus d is 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 multiplying this minus alpha square beta equal to minus 9 by 2 minus sign cancel on both sides. Substitute for beta. Alpha square into 1 by 2 equal to 9 by 2. 2 cancel. Alpha square equal to 9. Therefore, alpha equal to root 9, that is plus or minus 3. Alpha equal to plus or minus 3. Beta equal to 1 by 2. So, if alpha is 3, then minus alpha is minus 3. If alpha is minus 3, then minus alpha is plus 3. Therefore, the roots are minus 3, 3 and 1 by 2. அல்லது 3 minus 3, 1 by 2. எப்படி வேணாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். Next, second problem. Solve the equation 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 equal to 0 if the roots form an arithmetic progression. You want to solve this cubic equation given that the roots are in AP, arithmetic progression. So let us consider the equation 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 equal to 0. A equal to 9, B equal to minus 36, C equal to 44, D equal to minus 16. Since the roots are in arithmetic progression, the roots are in AP. Let the roots be, you know the general form of AP, A minus D, A plus D. So here let us use the letters alpha, beta. So the roots be alpha minus beta, alpha, alpha plus beta. Now first finding sum of the roots. Alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Substituting for AB, minus of minus 36. So plus 36 by 9 equal to 4. In this minus beta and plus beta cancel. So you get alpha plus alpha plus alpha. 3 alpha equal to 4. Alpha equal to 4 by 3. Next, product of all the three roots. Alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta equal to minus d by a minus d is minus 16. So plus 16 by 9. Alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta is alpha square minus beta square equal to 16 by 9. Since already we got the value of alpha, substitute for alpha. 4 by 3, alpha squared is 16 by 9 minus beta square equal to 16 by 9. This 4 by 3, you can take it right side. So 16 by 9 minus beta square equal to 16 by 9 into this 4 by 3 on the side kondu porappo 3 by 4. 3 cancel with 9, 4 cancel with 16. So 4 by 3. 16 by 9 minus beta square equal to 4 by 3. Again minus beta square, bring this side, 4 by 3 bring other side. So beta square equal to 16 by 9 minus 4 by 3. Taking LCM is 9. 16 minus, multiply by 3, 12. 16 minus 12 by 9, 4 by 9. Beta square equal to 4 by 9. Beta equal to root 4 by 9. That is plus or minus 2 by 3. So you got the value of alpha and beta. Alpha equal to alpha equal to 4 by 3, beta equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. Now we can find the three roots. Alpha minus beta, alpha, alpha plus beta. Taking beta equal to minus 2 by 3. Alpha 4 by 3, beta minus 2 by 3 substitute பண்ணலாம். So you get 4 by 3 minus of minus plus 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So here taking LCM. So denominator same, so direct add பண்ணிக்கலாம். 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 3, 4 by 3. Just subtract பண்ணா 2 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. 2, 4 by 3, 2 by 3. Next, alpha minus beta, alpha, alpha plus beta. Here taking beta equal to 2 by 3. Substituting beta equal to 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So you get 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So here subtracting 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 2. So ரெண்டு ரூட்ஸுமே உங்களுக்கு சேம் தான். See, look at the two answer. 2, 4 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 2. So நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒன்று எடுத்துக்கலாம். ரெண்டுமே சேம்ங்கிறதுனால. Therefore the roots are 2, 4 by 3, 2 by 3. Third question. Solve the equation 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0 if its roots form a geometric progression. Here the roots are in GP, it is given. Consider the equation 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. The roots form a GP, geometric progression. So let the roots be a by r, a r. A equal to 3, b equal to minus 26, c equal to 52, d equal to minus 24. First, sum of all the three roots. A by r plus a ar equal to 26 by 3. A common, so taking a outside, a into 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 26 by 3. Next, product of all the three roots. A by r into a ar equal to minus d by a minus of minus 24 by 3. This 24 by 3, and now here this r cancel. So you get a into a cube. 24 by 3 is equal to 8. A cube equal to 8. Therefore, a equal to 2. Now substitute the value of a in equation 1. A 2 into 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 26 by 3. 2 cancel with 26, 13. 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 13 by 3. Taking LCM, 1 plus r square by r equal to 13 by 3. Cross multiplying, multiply by 3. So 3 plus 3r plus 3r square equal to 13r. The 13r left side கொண்டு வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா rewriting 3r square plus 3r minus 13r plus 3 equal to 0. 3r square, 3r minus 13r minus 10r plus 3 equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic equation in R. Finding suitable pair. Sum is minus 10. Product is 3 into 3, 9. Suitable pair minus 9 minus 1. Minus 9 minus 1. So here we have coefficient of r square 3. So dividing by 3, you get minus 3 minus 1 by 3. So this is 3r minus 1 into r minus 3 equal to 0. 3r minus 1 equal to 0, r equal to 1 by 3. R minus 3 equal to 0, r equal to 3. Already we got the value of a equal to 2, r equal to 1 by 3, r equal to 3. Now find out a by r. The value substitute பண்ணலாம். 2 by 1 by 3 equal to 6. AR 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. The next value substitute பண்ணோம்னா a by r equal to 2 by 3. AR equal to 2 into 3, 6. Yes, therefore the roots are a by r, AR. A by r. 2 by 3, ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு same தான். If a by r is 6, AR is 2 by 3. If a by r is 2 by 3, then AR is 6. So the roots a by r, AR equal to 2 by 3 to 6. அல்லது 6 to 2 by 3. எப்படி வேணாலும் ஆன்சர் எழுதிக்கலாம்.